Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram app not opening. To know how to fix Instagram app not opening, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this list, you will go down to click here, apps, default apps, app settings. When you will go to this list, you will go down to click here and to find the application of Instagram. Here it is like this. After that, in this page, you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will click storage. And here in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.